If you've built a Node.js or Express backend, the next step is getting it live. We're going to deploy this simple Node application to Render, which is one of the fastest and easiest hosting platforms available. And yes, they have a fantastic free tier. Before deploying, the most critical change in any Node app for cloud hosting is how we handle the port. We cannot use a hard-coded port like 5000. We must use const port equals process.env.PORT. Our prepared application, including the crucial server.js, package.json, and our .gitignore file, has already been pushed to a GitHub repository. Render needs this source code. Now let's head over to the Render dashboard. We click New and select Web Service. We connect our GitHub account, select the correct repository, and click Connect. We give our service a name, which will form part of our live URL. We set the environment to Node. Render needs two commands. First, the build command is npm install. This tells Render to install all the dependencies listed in our package.json. Next, the start command is what runs our server, nodeserver.js. We must override the default here to specifically target our main file. Before we hit deploy, let's look at environment variables. For this simple demo, we only need to add one key best practice, node env set to production. This optimizes our Express server for speed and security. In a real application, this is where you must store sensitive secrets. For example, your database URL connection string, your JWT secret for authentication tokens, or any third-party API keys. This keeps them safe and out of your public code. We ensure the instance type is set to free and click Create Web Service. Render now clones our repo, runs the build command, and attempts to run the start command. This will take a moment. And there it is. The build has completed successfully. We now have a live URL. Let's click the URL and confirm. Success! Our custom message shows confirming our Node.js app is deployed and running on the internet. That's all there is to it. Remember, the free tier will spin down after 15 minutes of inactivity, meaning the next request will take a moment to wake up, but your app is hosted 24/7.